Draw the energy in. Open your hearts. Draw the energy in. Feel the vibration. Feel the vibration of your flower. Feel the vibration of your name. Feel the vibration of the flowers. Feel the vibration of me as I enter. I am Saint Germaine, guardian of the violet flame. Drawing that breath in your being. I am Saint Germaine, guardian of the violet flame. Breathing in and opening the heart. Breathing in and accepting the light. Breathing in and surrounding the self with the violet flame. I am Saint Germaine. Unity consciousness. Unity consciousness. The violet flame burns away the old patterns of greed. The violet flame transforms. It transforms through your acceptance of your own being, your acceptance of the violet flame, your acceptance of your earth nature. I am Saint Germaine. Hold the palms open to receive and call in the violet flame. Hold the palms open to receive. I am Saint Germaine. Toning now. Receive the violet flame. Receive the violet flame in the name of Saint Germaine. I am Saint Germaine. Step in the circle with the goddess vibration. I am Saint Germaine, feeling the compassionate one, feeling the vibration of the transformational one. I am Saint Germaine, guardian of the violet flame. And drawing that energy into your body. Feel the violet flame dancing. Hold your hands loosely out to either side and shift your shoulders as if you were sort of dancing back and forth, left to right. And imagine the violet flame twirling around your fingers. Imagine the violet flame dancing in your cells. Imagine the violet flame moving through your heart. I am Saint Germaine. I am Saint Germaine. The weather patterns shift on the planet. The rain comes, the snow falls. And in the vibrations and cells of that water, whether it be frozen or it be liquid, you are feeling transmutational energy. Embrace it. Move with it. I am Saint Germaine, guardian of the violet flame. I am Saint Germaine. I have asked you this evening to have water nearby. I am Saint Germaine. The joy of the angels in the universe appears. I am Saint Germaine, guardian of the violet flame. I am Saint Germaine. In the weaving and the movement into new vibrational shifts and patterns, you need the vibration of your brothers and sisters that have gone before, that have moved through the earth plane and mastered it, as I have and as Quan Yin has in her many cycles of earth life, and I have in my many cycles of earth life. You have had many cycles of earth life, and each and every one of you has mastered on a material plane. You are learning to master now on the earth plane. The material plane came from your star heritage, and each and every one of you has star heritage that you are now releasing energies from. What we mean by this is you are releasing old pains experienced in what you might have known as Star Wars at the time when the different planets warred before they moved into higher vibrational energies, before they understood wholeness. And so many of you have come here with those old memories of the wars as you re-watch this earth warring with each other before it moved into unity consciousness. Let me explain that. Stars and systems fought just as tribes fought on your earth. Part of the fighting of the tribes on the earth was a memory and a reenactment of those old issues from the past. It is as if when the star families came onto the earth and began to materialize in the human form, that they brought the memories of their old battles and reacted them out again. Some of you have come to bring wisdom, for you have gained wisdom and mastery in your other systems. Arcturians, a great deal of you on this call this evening. Pleiadians, Andromedans, Antareans, Lyrians, Syrians, a few Vegans. You are graduating Earth School now. You are moving into the vibrational shift. This will be an interesting year on your Earth. Enough have embodied the higher vibratory energies that those vibratory energies will start to connect together in a vast network of light. And that vast network of light will come from the joining together of people. You will join together in different groups, communities, networks. You will join together in different circles. You will step out into the world more. We have spoken to some that have been cloistered about the need to go out into the world. And those parts that have been cloistered in the vibration of spiritual nature, of pure beauty, resist going back out into the world. You will understand what I mean. When you think of starting your blog, when you think of starting your new business, when you think of moving into your new schooling, when you think of taking your knowledge of herbs forward into the earth, when you think and recognize that it's time for you to change the business you are currently in, when you think about going back out into a world of banking, when you think about changing your vibration and doing what you love. Yes, you are all being nudged, each and every one of you, into new energies, into new places. Why? Because of the vibration within you. The vibration within you that you have worked on, that you have brought together, that you have anchored into the earth, needs to go out into new areas now. You see, the collective consciousness has reached a critical mass. And the masses, the groups of people, the masses will now be receiving vibratory energy, and they will be rocking and rolling. The masses will be needing your energy. And so you will join clubs and new businesses and new jobs. And so you will take trips to new places. And so you will go into places that you have not gone into before. I am Saint Germaine, guardian of the violet flame.